Hello. Today we are going to focus on the active and passive voice in English. Today we are going to focus on the active voice, the passive voice, active to passive sentence transformation, and passive to active voice sentence transformation. Let's get going. So let's get started by talking about the active voice. So in this kind of voice, the subject acts upon the verb. So for example, here we have the artist worked a lot on the sculpture. Here the subject is the artist, the verb is the work, and the object is the sculpture. So here we first take the subject, then the verb, and then the object. Let's move on to the next example. Mary baked the chocolate cake. Mary, which is the subject, acted upon the chocolate cake, which is the object, by baking it. That is an active voice too. Next sentence. I made the wooden car. Let's move on to the passive voice. Let's learn about the passive voice. In this kind of voice, the subject is acted upon by the verb. Let's look at some examples for further understanding. The sculpture was worked upon by the artist. Here, the artist is the subject, the sculpture is the object, and worked is the verb. As you can notice, all three sentences in passive voice have something in common: their sentence structure. If you notice, we first start with the object, move on to the verb, and then finally the subject. So the sentence structure when we use passive voice is object plus verb plus subject. Let's look at some other examples. The chocolate cake was baked by Mary. Here the subject is Mary, object is the chocolate cake, and the verb is baked. The wooden car was made by me. Me is the subject, the wooden car is the object, and made is the verb. Let's move on. Now let's have a look at active to passive sentence transformation. So when we are converting a sentence from the active voice to the passive voice, what it literally means is converting a sentence which is structure is subject plus verb plus object, which is active, to passive, which is object plus verb plus subject. So what we should really do is just swap the subject with the object and vice versa. So if we look at an example here, we have Mary baked the chocolate cake. So here Mary is the subject, baked is the verb, and chocolate cake is the object. This is a sentence in the active voice. So let's have a look at how we can convert the sentence into passive voice. So when we convert an active sentence to a passive sentence, all we really do is swap the object with the subject. Here I have swapped the subject, which is Mary, with the object, which is the chocolate cake. Now the sentence is, the chocolate cake was baked by Mary. So the sentence which was in active voice, Mary baked the chocolate cake, became the chocolate cake was made by Mary. Now let's talk about converting the sentence from the passive voice to the active voice. So here what we are doing is converting the sentence which structure is object plus verb plus subject to subject plus verb plus object. So here we have a sentence in the passive voice, which is the wooden car was made by me. Here the object is the wooden car, verb is made, and the subject is me. So we need to convert this to the active voice. Let us see how that is done. Convert the previous sentence to the active voice. Here, all we need to do is swap the object with the subject. Previously, the subject was me and the object was the wooden car. Now, since I replaced them, the sentence is I made the wooden car. Let's move on. So now when we converted the sentence from passive to active, it became from the wooden car was made by me to I made the wooden car. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have understood about the active and passive voice. As always, you can contact us at silverkeysforyou@gmail.com to suggest more topics. Thank you.